Hello students, I am Sakina Ahmed, your computer teacher from Vidyashil Public School. In this video, we will learn to apply the steps involved in logical thinking to solve the problems of any subject, especially to design a code using a computer language for a given problem statement. So let us see what are the steps involved in logical thinking. The very first step is task. Read the problem carefully and specify the task. Step 2. Identify. As you read the problem, make a note of the following. First, make a note of the goal. What is your goal to be achieved? Second, information. What is the available information with you? What is the data available with you which you can use to reach to your goal? Step 3. Conditions. What are the various conditions which are to be followed while reaching to your goal through the information available? Step 3 is solve. Now start solving the numerical or the problem statement using the given information and following the conditions, that is without violating the conditions given in the problem. Reasoning. Try to solve the problem by various options available. If the option does not break any conditions, that is, it does not violate any condition, then the given option is correct. That option will be considered as a solution and you may start working with this solution. Let us try applying logical thinking to a very simple example. Suppose there are four fruits on the table, namely apple, orange, banana, and grapes. Your task is to pick any two fruits out of this. While doing this, the conditions mentioned in the problem are: if you pick an apple, you cannot pick an orange. If you pick an orange, you cannot pick banana. If you pick grapes, you cannot pick an apple. Let us try and apply the steps involved in logical thinking. The step 1 is to find the task. What is our task? Our task is to pick up two fruits from the table. Step 2. Identify. The first step in identify is goal. Our goal is to pick up two fruits from the table. Information. The available information with us is that there are four fruits on the table, namely apple, banana, orange, and grapes. Conditions to be followed. First one, if you pick an apple, you cannot pick an orange. Second, if you pick an orange, you cannot pick banana. And the last one, if you pick grapes, you cannot pick an apple. Let us move towards the step 3 of logical thinking. Solve. Let us try the various options available with us. Option 1. Pick up the first fruit as apple. Next step. Pick up the second fruit as orange. But this violates our condition 1. That is, you cannot pick an orange if you pick an apple. So you cannot choose option 1. So we have to cross down the combination of apple and orange. Let us try another way. Option 2. Pick up the first fruit as apple. Choose grapes as second fruit. Again, this particular option violates the third condition, that is, if you pick up grapes, you cannot pick an apple. So cross grapes as well. Now try with the next option. Option 3. Pick up apple as first fruit. Pick up banana as second fruit. Check whether it satisfies all the three conditions. The first condition was if you pick an apple, you cannot pick an orange. It satisfies. Second condition was if you pick an orange, you cannot pick a banana. Satisfied. Third condition, if you pick grapes, you cannot pick an apple. That is also satisfied by this solution. Thus, option 3 satisfies all the conditions and it is a required solution. So, what is the answer to our question? Select apple and banana as two fruits from the table. In this way, using the steps in logical thinking, you can solve a problem systematically. Try doing some more problems on your own from the practice worksheet. Thank you.